Kirsten. I'm from Florida. I'm 25 years old. My birthday is in 5 days, and I came to Spain in January.
What are the difference between your country and Spain?
Well, where I'm from in Florida, it is very big. It's very spread out. And in Spain, everything is closer together and easier to get to.
What do you like doing in your free time?
I like playing ultimate frisbee. I like playing the guitar. And I like to read and paint.
What did you like the most from Spain?
I like the culture. I like how friendly everybody is.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is seahorse and the giraffe.
You enjoyed in Spain?
Yes, I loved it.